Tonight is gonna be about the gold. Tonight is gonna be about the jewelry. Tonight is gonna be about the best jewelry in the Marmaris, and I'm gonna explain you why is the best jewelry in the Marmaris and what is the difference than the others and what they gonna offer you up here. If you stay with me till end of the video, you will find out where is this shop and what they're gonna give you. I'd like to show you where is exactly it is first. So stay with me till end of the video if you want to find out more about the gold, more about the jewelry in the Marmaris. Happy to help with you. For you, always I'm gonna be around here and I'm gonna let you know more about the Marmaris, more about the shopping. Gold Center, Marmaris Gold Center. As you see, you're gonna see this big sign right in front of the Grand Ideal Premium. Just the Prestige Hotel is just right there, and we turn in this side. This is the main road of the hotel street of the Marmaris. Greennaturediamond just right there. Forum outlet just right here, you will see that. I shared a video about that before as well. Outlet center, and it is just on the main road. This is Marmaris Gold Center. Let's walk and find out what they're gonna offer you tonight about the gold and jewelry. This is the best. Let's see why is the best. Right here, this is Mr. Mevlut is gonna be right here. He's gonna let us know what is these shops is gonna offer you. And right here is one thing you should know definitely about this shop is a goldsmith just right here. If you need a repairing, a cleaning, they're offering you free cleaning and repairing right here. And the goldsmith is just right here, and they're working all the time. Let's go have a look. Just right. What is Gold Center will offer you? This is the main bit. We're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna find out. I'd like to show you first what this shop has for you guys and what do they do, which brands, and what's Roberto Bravo just right here.
All genuine.
All genuine. It's no fake stuff, guys. Here it's all genuine stuff. Hamilton, the watches. All Swiss made.
In Marmaris, retail.
Only in Marmaris does the retail is Marmaris Gold Center. Even the watch
Retail shop.
all Swiss made, and the retail shop this is in Marmaris, and this is tax free. That is the big things, guys. That's why it's much cheaper than where you are. You're paying much more wherever you are in Europe or in England. T-shirts as well. Love the watches. No fake stuff, guys. Here all genuine stuff. Rado, Switzerland. Ooh, loving it. Gorgeous. If you're looking for the real deal, this is the real deal. Not finished, we're just starting. We go along the way. Oh my god, I'm been around other jewelries. I'm not seen most of these brands in another jewelries, guys. They don't let any jewelries to sell their stuff. This is when you're big, and this jewelry is the biggest one. Because they own this much jewelries around Turkey, that's why they can get retail. Federico Constantin Geneva, that's a Swiss watch as well. If you do like this kind of watches, and if you want to get them, you're not gonna get for this price anywhere around Europe or around the Turkey as well, you know. Breitling, real one, no fake ones. We're gonna go, I'm gonna ask the prices, don't worry. I just want to show you first around. Shop tax free is a global belief. Taguea. And look at this. This is important bit, you know. Auto refund available. Shop tax free. Get your refund paid to your credit card. Awesome, isn't it? Tanzanite collection as well.
1,000 times rarer than diamonds.
1,000 times. 1,000 times rarer than diamonds. That's the Tanzanite collection. You think in diamond is rare? No, it is the Tanzanite. It's 1,000 times rare. These are private rooms here. It's 4 private rooms for whoever wanna buy gold, and you get like in this private rooms like this, so you can get all you want. It's get done here for you, and they will sort you out for everything you need. And wait till end of the video, I have some surprise for you, so you can understand why is this gold center special. This is how big it is. 1,500 meters square meter. This is Marmaris Gold Center. That's why it's called Gold Center. It is the biggest one. Is there any more question you have? You can ask me, not a problem. There is like a private rooms here as well. 1, 2 more private rooms. If you wanna get that like private service, you're gonna go here with the your seller or whatever, who's ever gonna look after you, and it's gonna be just you, your lover or your friend, and gets everything you're looking for. So any special offer? I have like some followers
Who is coming with this channel to
Name of-
visit us? Okay, 40% discount we
Wow.
will make if somebody is coming to do visit us with this channel. If they're
Name.
showing at this video, is also 40% is discount we will do.
all right guys, it's happy days.
So what is this on? They are all diamonds, real diamonds.
Eternity ring,
Diamonds,
solitaire ring, engagement ring, wedding ring,
solitaire ring, engagement ring.
eternity ring, wedding ring, fancy ring, promise ring, love ring.
Wow, I didn't know this much kind of rings was around, but this they have every kind of rings for every needs. Or this the necklaces. What is the necklaces? There's a diamond, all diamonds.
Yes, all diamonds here.
And when is the diamond? They're 18 karat, as I know. It's not 14 karat, is it?
Yeah, that's true.
18 karat gold they are. The value of the gold is much better, not 9 karat. We start with the 14 karat, and 18 karat is around here for jewelry. Do you like any of these? Comments down below if you do. I'd like to ask Mr. Mevlut here about this old gold center. Hello sir.
Hi.
I'd like to ask everybody want to know about the gold in Turkey. Can you explain us what is this gold center? All about it, please.
Turkey is the most popular countries to buy a gold because of 14 karat, 18 karat gold we have. And our company is 1948, since 75 years we doing this business in Bodrum, in Fethiye and Marmaris. All you see 1,500 square meters big showroom in here. 98% on produce also, we produce also, and 5 years international certificate, 5 years with same price, change and upgrade guarantee also you have. And also for diamonds, we give you diamond certificate is also, all the ID card, all the details on the card is also has got, and 5 years with same price change and upgrade guarantee you have. And of course it's the most, we are very popular is of, we have a every day nearly 500 600 repeat guests is visitor here is also. We doing this business since 1948, I told you is also. Always welcome, we try to be help you. I hope we can see in our gold center to all our lovely guests. Thank you.
Thank you so much. More information about like the watches. I see
The
all
watches
this.
we have a Rado, Breitling, Omega, Takier, Paul Picot, Fredin Constantin, Tissot, Longines, and etc. We are Swiss made, all Swiss made watches. We are retail shop and tax free. When you buy the watches also you don't pay tax.
So that's what's make it cheaper than
Exactly. If you compare in UK and Turkey, is also we are more reasonable because it's a benefit for tax free. You not pay tax.
All right.
If you buy in UK, is also you have to pay tax. In Turkey, is also you don't pay tax.
That's the difference.
It's a good benefit for all our guests.
That's a jewelry as well. There's no tax.
Yes,
as
you
well.
know you don't pay tax also too.
That is what is make it gold much cheaper than UK or Europe.
If you compare, it's more reasonable because of why workmanship and profit-wise and etc. etc. It's making the prices
Much cheaper,
reasonable,
more
much reasonable
more
than
reasonable.
UK, of course.
Or UK or Europe as well. I
In
think
Europe
and
too, yeah, of
everywhere
course.
around the world is gonna be here. Turkey is one of the cheapest or one of the more beneficial for all of you
And
guys.
also high carat gold, so 14, 18 carat is also.
So it's
we
not
don't
9
sell
carat?
No, we don't sell 9 carat.
40.
14 and 18 carat white, rose and yellow gold we have also.
All right, that is so nice. I want to ask a couple of more questions. It's
Yes,
like
please.
how they can come here? Will you have like a shuttle service and stuff?
We have
like
got a free shuttle service also. When they want to, which hotel they staying, they can automatically text us or call us, and free of charge. We pick up from the hotel, drop back also too.
Or is it like a cleaning and repair? And I said I do have
Polish and clean is free of charge. Our hospitality, all our guests also free of charge. Polish and
Maybe you
clean.
like some chains, some necklaces. Fake chains, guys. You're not gonna find king chains, they call. Yeah. What is this chains called?
King chains, Panzer chain, Figaro chain, Rock chain, Belki chain, loads of all collections we have. If you want special order, special design is also possible to make.
Yeah. If you have some design in your mind and you're thinking where you're gonna have it done, there's a goldsmith as I showed you. They can get it ready for you till you go home, and then when you go home, you will have your special order ready, waiting for you. Wow, these ones has diamonds on them. What model
Yes.
is it? What model are these?
Monaco.
Monaco. And the bracelets are bunlar ne bracelet?
And also old items, if they have, they can bring. I can melt it down. I can make a new design.
Oh, sorry. Wait, really? So if you have any old gold, guys, bring them over here,
Yes,
and then
we can melt down and we can make a new design for you.
that is fantastic. That's awesome. And this is gonna cost you lots back home, I know, but here it's not gonna cost you that much. Don't worry. And what else? This is lots of nice blings. I like them. This is the bracelets and the rings with the stone for the men's, I think, more like.
Yes. Like a man rings without stone.
Oh, what's that?
If you want, with stone.
You can change the
Yes,
design of
if
it.
you want, without stone.
You can turn it.
Yeah.
No stones.
Yeah.
Whichever you like. That's gorgeous. And look at these thick bracelets. I know some of you love like a huge thick bracelet, or maybe you like some different design of bracelet. Just right here. Wow, that is awesome. I love it, don't you? Could be for men or for ladies as well, for gentlemen or for ladies as well. This unisex it is. What stone are these? Like a red, black, what? The diamonds are they all?
This is half semi-pretty stones. It's not. These are not real stones. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you want the same monies, we can make also do with diamonds, sapphire, ruby, emerald. All is also possible.
All right, awesome. So if you have any special order you want to order, they will have them all here for you. All the rings or earring or the bracelets. I just want to show you a couple of designs so you can see what is here.
they use the channel name so when you enter the shop, and so you can get a 40% discount. So you know there's a 40% discount, but if you don't tell them you come from the channel, they won't know it. Let them know you come with the channel, so get a special discount, guys. Happy to help, always to help, always here for you guys. This is the big things, guys. This is Gold Center. It's open since 1948. Come on, that should say to you everything, you know, reliability and quality.